Think you know what throat clearing signifies? It often hints at discomfort or the urge to speak up. When someone clears their throat, it's not just a physical act. It can indicate hesitation, anxiety, or a desire to shift the conversation. Psychologically, this behavior suggests the person is preparing to express something important, but feels uncertain about it. Imagine a colleague clearing their throat before sharing an idea in a meeting. This signals their insecurity. Next time you hear this sound, pay attention. It may reveal more than mere throat irritation. Understanding this subtle cue could enhance your communication skills and reveal hidden emotions.